Be careful it. After he play, he will keep it and put again in the box.
Hmm.
He said he will careful. If someone will touch, no, don't touch. Don't touch. It will broke. It will broken.
Yeah.
He really loves it because it's very fast. Oh my god, that car is for racing.
Yeah, it is.
Racing. Even Mark, it's play it. Mark said, "Oh my god, it's so fast. It's very nice to play in the playground or in the street."
Yeah. Yeah, that might happen, but I'm hoping that January, February, March, we might be
And
there at the same time. We might be there.
because after we meet Mike here in Korea, Tita, it's time for me also to prepare for come back to Philippines. Tita, meet my son and my daughter. That's Ashley and Gio. I have to go for breakfast. Tito is hungry. Bye for now. Okay, Tita. Bye-bye, Tito. Bye-bye. Enjoy your breakfast and have a nice day. Have a nice night. Thank you, Tita. See you soon. I've not yet finished my ears, but Mike wants to live. He will. He's the host. Everybody makes me laugh. Everybody makes me laugh. It's about the money.